Check out the mini grinder Trade from Arbortech. This grinder is designed with access and precision in mind, and it's fast becoming an absolute game changer for tilers. With the included 50mm diamond wheel, you can make precise, clean cuts in tiles and easily remove grout. And you can get right into the corners too. The extension arm gives you plenty of reach, and it comes with a removable extractor port. When paired with an M-class extractor, it helps to minimise airborne silica dust and other particles. 710 watt motor, which is plenty of power. There's also adjustable speed dial on the rear of the handle, so you can suit the tool to the material you're removing. Sanding and grinding wheels are also included with the tool. The grinding wheel is great for cleaning up welds in hard to reach places where a 5 or a 9-inch grinder couldn't get to. I think the mini grinder Trade from Arbortech is a really handy tool for tilers and fabricators. Got any questions at all about this unit? Hit me up in that comment section below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and you're watching Cindy Tools TV.